Hello, I'm happy to begin our final lecture on commonly used Figma plugins and tips in practice. In this lesson, we will cover useful plugins available in Figma and practical tips for using them effectively in real-world projects. Figma offers a variety of plugins that help streamline the design process. We will introduce the features and applications of each plugin and share practical tips through real-world examples. Now, first plugin is about the Unsplash, and this one's a lifesaver for find it free, high quality images. Need a stunning background or a placeholder photo just to pop open from here on Splash. Yeah, okay, run. And just find some free pictures from here. So I want to find AI search. And you can find a lot of pictures from here. And then you have to click some image or some, image from or boxes in your frame. And I just wanted to select this one. And then I would like to put this image. So just double click. Then it may apply to the shape of this or image like this. Or if you want to just architecture, okay, then when I want to put this one into this square, first select this square and then double click this picture. Then it can go directly inside this square area. Also, yeah, you can use like this way. It is very, very uh, easy and has a very big effect on using this kind of free images on your work. And next, if you love playing with geometric shapes, Shapers got your back. It offers a variety of polygons, perfect for creating patterns, icons, or even abstract art. It's like having a little toolkit of shapes at your disposal. So let's open the plugin here and Shaper. Yeah, I found it. When I run this plugin, I can find a lot of shapes inside this window. So you can find this kind of shapes or cloud. Yeah, Okay. Now let's move to the next one. This is the shapes and a similar name with the shaper. It is a 2D based polygon shapes, but this provides 3D designs. The shapes plugin is a game changer. It gives you access to 3D shapes, which can really add some depth and perspective to your design. Great for creating that trendy isometric look. So let's open this one. Shapes. So you can find some shapes from here. You can transform from here. Skew. Yeah, so just you can give these shapes of various value. And from here, you can change the displaying style or palette. Yeah, like this. Okay. All right, and let's move to the next plugin. Iconify and Feather Icons. These two plugin is similar, but Iconify. If you open Iconify, you can find a lot of icons from here. Yeah, there's a lot of icons inside here. And also, when you search feather icons, oh, sorry, feather icons, there's also a lot of high quality icons inside here. But you have to just remember to check the license if you're using them for commercial project, okay? Now let's move to the next plugin. The name is Brand Fetch. If you need a brand's logo, instead of hunting it down, just find from Brand Fetch. It pulls logos from all sorts of famous brands right into Figma. Super handy for mockups or when you need to reference a brand's design. So let's move to the brand fetch. Yes, open and explore. You can see you can find a lot of global logos from here. So when I search YouTube, there's various kind of YouTube logos inside here, and the resolution is very nice. Yeah. Mm, mm, yeah. And next, let's move to the next plugin. This is Ease Isometric plugin. For those who love isometric design but hate the tedious setup, face isometric is your new best friend. It makes creating isometric illustrations a breeze. Just set it up and you are ready to go. So let's find that plugin from here. Each is isometric. So we can change like this way, this way. Okay. Like this, you can give some transform to the objects. Okay, let's move to the next one. I already told you about this plugin before, and I think it is really useful for the work because the result is very good with this kind of shadow, dropping shadow. So you can use like this. Okay. All right, then let's move to the next plugin. The name is Boringer's Avatar. If you want to add some personality to your design, Boring Avatar has got this super cute avatar illustration. They are perfect for user profiles or adding a friendly face to your interface. Okay, and let's move to the next one. Arrow Auto. The name of the plugin is Arrow Auto. Connecting ideas visually. It is used for these ideas. So Arrow Auto lets you select two. Let me delete this one. Okay. And please select this both of object here. And then let's find arrow. Arrow Auto. Okay. Now, when you select this both object, you can select what kind of line stroke do you need. So when I choose this one and then click link, uh, automatically it is linked to this both of these shapes. Okay, let's move to the next one. Speaking of a flowchart, the flowchart plugin is a must-have plugin. It makes it easy to create complex diagrams and flows, and perfect for mapping out user journey or process diagram. And next, content reel. Tired of using lorem ipsum? Content reel lets you quickly drop in realistic dummy text and images. Great for making your designs look polished and real without spending hours on content. So let's find content. Content reel from plugin menu. And then when you select this one, you can choose some image from here. avatar. Yeah, here. And also when you want to put some kind of template uh, to the text, uh, phone number, US phone number, like this, or yeah, very useful. You can change this icon to the other with the other images. Yeah, like this. Okay, anyway, now let's move to the next plugin, Wireframe Designer. Uh, if you're starting from scratch and need to sketch out ideas, Wireframe Designer is your go-to. Just type in a keyword and it generates wireframes for you. It's like magic, seriously. So first we have to find wireframe designer. Okay. So what would you like to design? Shopping mall? Then design. It generates you usually very useful UI for shopping mall like this. Okay. And let's move to the next plugin here. For a more hands-on approach, Ink Wireframe offers a simple wireframe kit. It's a great way to map out our basic layout and structure before diving into the details. So I just drag out from the window uh, options of Ink Wireframe plugin. And let's move to the next one, Styler. Uh, Managing a design system or style guide, can help you keep everything consistent. You can manage your typography, colors, and other styles in one place and making sure everything is cohesive. And next, HTML to design. Has ever see a web page and wonder how it was designed? HTML to design lets you clone and import web pages into Figma. It's awesome for amazing layouts or using real HTML content as a reference. So let's find HTML. Stop. Yeah, I found it. So defaultly, there's written the Apple's website address here. So let me just import the Apple website. Oh, it is loading and it takes a few minutes. Okay, so, oh, oops. I'm sorry. Yeah. Here you can find out your this mm, Apple website here. See? It's a very cool tool. Oh, okay. Then let's move to the next one. The name as a table creator. If you've got data to display, the table creator will help you easily add tables to your design. Customize them to fit your style and make your data presentations look sleek. Okay, and let's move to the next one. Deck and Pitch Deck Presentation Studio. If you need to turn your Figma designs into a PowerPoint presentation, Deck and Pitch Deck are here to help. They extract your work and convert it into a presentation format. Pitch Deck even lets you use some features for free, though it has a paid version for more advanced options. And let's move to the next one. We can read in Korean, 한글 더미 text, and the English name is Korean dummy text. If you are designing for a Korean audience, this plugin is a must. It provides a dummy text optimized for Korean, so your designs look authentic and accurate. And next, for this can we read 한글 맞춤 in Korean pronunciation and translated as 한글 customization. For this 한글 customization, this plugin checks your spelling and offers customization options, and it is essential for ensuring your Korean text is spot on. Okay, so well, we've explored various plugins so far, and you've probably noticed that many of them offer convenience to designers and enhance the quality of results. Besides this, there are numerous other plugins available. I recommend taking some time to explore and find a plugin that is beneficial for you. Thank you.